Hey everyone, your brain is secretly working against your future self. It is literally sabotaging your goals right now. If you are new here, subscribe. We post new videos every week that will genuinely surprise you. You know you should start that project. Save that money, go to the gym, but every single time your brain finds a reason to put it off. You end up choosing instant comfort instead. This isn't a moral failing on your part. It is a primal hardwiring inside your brain. For most of human history, the future was uncertain. Surviving today was all that mattered, so your brain developed a powerful preference for immediate rewards. Food now was better than potential food later. Safety now was better than potential safety tomorrow. And that ancient survival mechanism is still deeply embedded today. It is why you choose the donut over the diet, or endless scrolling over studying. It is always about now. Psychologists call this delay discounting. Your brain literally discounts the value of future rewards. The further away it is, the less important it seems to matter. Imagine a graph. An immediate $10 feels more valuable to your brain than $20 next year. Your brain's value curve drops sharply over time. One famous study offered kids one marshmallow now, or two if they waited 15 minutes. Most could not wait. Your adult brain does the same thing, just with bigger stakes. This is the trap. The instant gratification circuit in your brain is incredibly powerful. It is always screaming, eat it, watch it, buy it, just do it right now. You have your future self who wants the big payoff, and your present self who just wants to feel good right now. And the present self usually wins that internal battle. Think about your alarm clock. You set it with good intentions the night before. But when it rings, your present self takes over, hitting snooze, preferring 5 more minutes of sleep. Or that diet you started. You planned healthy meals all week. But then a friend offers pizza, and suddenly the healthy future seems less important than the delicious now. You are saving for something big, but then you see that new gadget online. Your brain rationalizes the immediate purchase, discounting the future financial goal. That big project at work or school, you tell yourself you will start tomorrow, but tomorrow, the urgent now, still feels more important than the distant deadline. And here is the deeper twist. Your brain gets a dopamine hit not just from the reward itself, but from the anticipation of an immediate reward. It is a powerful neurological loop. The real cost of instant gratification is often invisible. You do not see the lost savings, the missed opportunities, the health decline, until much later down the road. Just like compound interest, instant gratification compounds in the opposite direction. Small immediate choices add up to big, unexpected future problems. Your brain creates an illusion that the future you is a different person, so it is okay to borrow from them. But that future you is still you, stuck with the bill. So how do you fight this? Start with the 2-minute rule. If something takes less than 2 minutes to start, do it immediately. Do not think, just act and get it done. Also, make your future rewards more tangible. Visualize your savings goal. Put a picture of your ideal body on the fridge. Make that distant future feel closer. Eliminate friction for good habits. Lay out your workout clothes. Delete distracting apps from your phone. Make the easy choice the right choice for yourself, and try pre-commitment. Sign up for a class. Tell a friend your goal. Make it harder for your present self to back out. Lock in your future self's victory now. The next time you feel that pull towards instant comfort, remember it is your ancient brain trying to protect you, but its definition of protection is very outdated. You have the power to override that ancient impulse, to choose the future you, to build the life your future self will undoubtedly thank you for later. Thank you for watching. If this helped you understand yourself better, please hit that like button. Share this with someone who struggles with procrastination. Comment below what you are going to commit to, and subscribe for more insights that will surprise you every week.